So I want to take the doors off, and I've used these two screws, shade, and man, they are hard to get out. And I just noticed that there are two screws right here. Maybe that would be easier because we could take out that assembly and just slide the door off. So I'm gonna try that and see if that's easier. Yeah, so much easier. A little scraping and don't have to spray stuff. Like that a lot. No, here's one that has one missing, so that'll make my job easier, I guess. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember I have this. Let's see if this will work. Previous owner must have got a really good deal on this liner. It's in every cabinet, so there you go. We were going to put a lot of paint into this, but I think we're just going to leave it like it is. It's in the barn. It's going to hold various chemicals. Didn't take all that off. Don't really care. All right. Good enough for the barn. Good enough for home steady. Yeah, it looks way better than it did.